Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix Hoyoverse too many requests. So this problem usually occurs when you've made too many requests for a short period of time. So what you need to do is go to your browser and try logging in there in your Hoyoverse account and see if your account has been compromised. Now if it has been, just go to your help center and try contacting them. Next thing you can do is go to your Windows search and type CMD, run as administrator, and then what we need to do is we need to flush our DNS. So just type ipconfig space / flush DNS, then click on enter, and then make sure that it is successfully flushed. Then next thing you need to do is type ipconfig space / renew, and then click enter, and you'll see this. Then after that, we need to type again netsh space binsuck space reset, and then go ahead and click enter. And then once you're done, type again netsh space int space ip space reset, and then click enter. And then you'll see this, and then just exit and see if your problem is fixed. Hope this helps.